Defense ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. Call Craig Wallace. Craig, do you know Cicely Lawrence's age?
17.
And how old are you?
16.
Well, you're younger than Cicely Lawrence.
Yes, ma'am.
You've heard her mother's testimony. Do you dispute any of the facts?
No, ma'am. Sissy and I have gone steady for over a year. We wanted to make love almost from the start, but Sissy said we shouldn't act stupid like most kids, and we should wait. We took a long time deciding, almost a year. But when we were sure, we slept together.
You say most kids. Does that imply that most of your friends at school are engaging in sexual relations?
Objection. That's an invitation for the witness to speculate.
Yeah, sustained.
Come on, what's speculation? You heard that lady's statistics. Sissy and I aren't by ourselves, and I can't figure out why the DA's office is trying to pretend that we are. At least half the guys I know do the same thing with a lot less concern. Why am I charged and they're not?
Mr.
Mr.
Wallace,
Bernard, can you tell me why me and not them?
That is enough,
Can you?
Mr. Wallace.